Welcome back, dear learners. In the previous videos, we learned basic gates and its implementation on breadboard. Now, let's move to our next topic, that is universal gates. Universal gates are of two types, NAND gate and NOR gate. Now, let's learn why NAND gate and NOR gate are called universal gates. Or and NOT gates are the three basic logic gates as they together can be used to construct the logic circuit for any given Boolean expression. NOR and NAND gates have the property that they individually can be used to hardware implement a logic circuit corresponding to any given Boolean expression. That is, it is possible to use either only NAND gates or only NOR gates to implement any Boolean expression, which is not possible using AND gates or gates and NOT gate. अगर हमें कोई बूलियन एक्सप्रेशन दिया गया हो तो उस बूलियन एक्सप्रेशन को केवल नॉर गेट या केवल नैंड गेट का यूज करके इम्प्लीमेंट किया जा सकता है, पर अगर हम एंड गेट और नॉट गेट का यूज करके ऐसा करना चाहें तो ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है। हो सकता है कि एंड गेट के साथ और गेट या नॉट गेट भी यूज करना पड़े। वैसे ही अगर हम और गेट यूज करें तो उसके साथ एंड या नॉट गेट का यूज करना पड़ सकता है। This is so because a combination of NAND gates or a combination of NOR gates can be used to perform functions of any of the basic logic gates. It is for this reason that NAND and NOR gates are universal gates. Now let's understand NAND gate. NAND stands for not and. An AND gate followed by a NOT circuit makes it a NAND gate. Y equal to A dot B whole dash. As you can see here, this is the symbol of AND gate and this represents NOT gate. When we use both of these gates together, that is, we inverse AND gate's output. It is called NAND gate. You can see here in case 1, A and B both are 0. The AND gate will return 0 and the NOT gate will inverse the output and return 1. Again, in case 2, A is 0 and B is 1, the AND gate will return 0, which will be given as input to the NOT gate, which will return 1 as the final output, that is Y. Case 3 is similar to case 2. Now, in case 4, A and B both are 1. Its AND gate output should also be 1 and inverse of 1 will be 0, which is true as Y here in the truth table is 0. You can simply remember it when all the inputs are 1, NAND gate returns logic 0. But for other combinations, the output is logic 1. That's it for this video. Let's learn NOT gate in the next video so that we can implement these gates on breadboard. If you have not yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates.